today our topic is compression molding analysis in Moldex 3D 2020. So let's see the today my outline. So today my outline is talking about some introduction in the compression molding process and what kind of materials, different range of materials used for compression molding process, and how this different range of material also make challenges in the simulation to predict it, and how the uh, Moldex 3D compression molding module help us our user to predict what kind of scenarios, and live workflow demo in this section that will make more understand how Moldex 3D works, also can understand more things. Also the next is like conclusion. Based on the today topic, I will conclude my conclusions. So let's see the introduction. So compression molding process. So a compression molding process is a simple way to make rubber products, not only rubber products, also like thermoplastics and thermoset plastics. So like from the picture, we can understand the compression molding process clearly. Like initially the material over here. So the mold is closed and keeping closed. When the mold is open, we can see our part out. So this is like very simple, but what most of the things we need to consider for composite molding, not just simply like this. So initially we have to uh, find the suitable material. Also in the different form, it can be thermoset or thermoplastic, or it can be in the different form SMC or BMC, format. So like later, once we placed in the open mold condition, so we also have to control the speed to compress and how the material have to flow in the mold. So that also we have to know, understand very clearly. So that will influence the flow behavior, like finally our part quality, like workbench. So once the mold is closed in the controlled speed, so how much force we are applying to close the mold, and how much the force keep on we are applying to pack our part, or during the curing section. Also that also very important, also in the controlled temperature, mold temperature. So so in controlled high pressure, and if for the thermoplastic, we can do the cooling to reduce the temperature of the part. If it's a thermoset material, so we have to heat it to do the curing process occurs there. So once the process is done, we can open the mold.